We bought a sex-spec show car. You see the Mad Sounds logo there. She's a thing of beauty.
Really awkward with a chopped roof.
Car going to a show or something, Jason?
It's going into Manchester. Be on display for a couple of weeks. So we thought we'd better put a board up for it so they know what it's all about. Always wear safety glasses. I'll just go with this.
He's shocking for his safety.
Pizza son.
Come on man, own it, own it!
It's a pretty quiet, chill night tonight, and I wouldn't normally film the quiet nights, but there is something exciting that is happening any minute now. I guess for the last 2 or 3 hours we've just been sitting down watching YouTube in the man cave, and it's now 11:45 and we're waiting for a couple shipments of trucks to arrive from the South Island. And as you can probably tell from the thumbnail and description of this video, it's another car.
Selfie, bro.
Selfie, that's how you're going to introduce the videos, you know, you're going to do it this way. And the storage is coming along nicely. Got a stacking system in place now, and I think the idea is it will be another one on this side. And the snail's back from Auckland, all in one piece. No new dents.
I think like either the clutch release bearings fucking died on that or something.
Oh really?
It just, something weird's going on with it, like the clutches or something on it. But running then I could just go into any gear I wanted to. So like, something's not connected anymore. Oh, it could have just been like the bearings collapsed or something for the clutch pull. Who knows, but it's weird that the clutch is engaged all the time.
Yeah.
Because I could just go into the any gear on the gearbox. It didn't do anything.
So we spent the last 3 hours watching YouTube videos, and we now finally work on a car.
See why the escargot doesn't move.
Yes, what are you doing? Taking off the inspection plate to do some inspecting.
Yeah.
That is very novel. And Jason just siphoned some diesel out of the truck to refuel the heater. It's still pretty cold here in New Zealand. It is winter.
Still pretty fat too for a...
Yeah, Shane broke the bucket seat. I think he's been eating too much KFC.
So it's either seized or who knows what. But that's the way the gearbox is going to come off.
So the snail was bound to have problems eventually, and shouldn't really be a surprise. It is an old car made up of second-hand parts with questionable condition. To be honest, it'd be quite good to get the engine and box out of the car and have a bit of a tinker with it. Alright, just making space in the garage for the new arrival. And this thing's big, it'll need all the space it can get.
For the baby.
The baby.
The new baby.
The big boy.
That's right.
So not to give anything away, but the new car is going to be the widest car in the garage, including this and the Rocket Bunny FD over there. And it will be the lowest thing in the garage, both in ride height and total height. What else can I say? It has a thing for spiders, and it is a relic of the past. When I told Shane about the car, he went and ordered 3 NZPC back orders, or 2, you got 2 on the way, eh? So 2 magazines coming, that's another hint.
Just shit yourself.
So the boat was going to arrive about 11:30 in the dock, so it's probably half hour to get off the boat. Do you reckon? Half hour, and then it's off. It's off, is it? It's on the road.
On the highway.
Oh, there you go. 5-10 minutes time, it'll be here. So for you guys, probably 2 seconds.
Yes, yes. Is it coming?
There it is. Oh, there it is. Woo.
There she is.
Watch out. This thing, eh?
Holy
What's that here, Fred?
Yes, yes. Just fresh off the truck from Nelson.
Look at it, eh?
Again, bonkers. Bit of concave in those wheels. There's another hint. You see the Mad Sounds logo there. It's missing a bumper. We bought a sex-spec show car.
Show car, alright.
Show car from 2005-ish. I'll put up the correct date in the video, but it's had a roof chop as well. Look how low that thing is, it's ridiculous. Like it's been squished by the truck. Oh yes. She's a thing of beauty. So it does have airbags.
Yeah. I'll just have to go. Turn the compressor on, and he can back over, and we'll pump bags up.
So,
We have no idea how.
so Andrew needs to help pull the truck back.
You're going to be like a rock trying to hold a helicopter.
Nah, because this thing's on airbags and it's got no way of pumping them up. Jason's going to have to go get a compressor and hook it up to the system there. But of course the line's not long enough. So Andrew's going to pull the truck back. Wow, that's actually a really nice FC.
Nothing wrong with that at all, bro.
Is that a Pandem kit? Something on it.
Nice. Horrible wheels, but...
I think Blair's more excited about the Evo than he is the show car. Whoa, slammed.
Or are you trying to hold somebody up?
I'm not working.
I don't know about that that whale dorsal thing going on there. It's a bit odd, eh?
Where's the door handle?
I don't know, don't care.
Back window. Just go into the back window.
And it's got to be a latch somewhere.
No brakes, no nothing for it.
So how are we going to? Oh, we'll have to hold it from running away.
I've still got a strap on it.
We've got team effort here. Corey trying to fit in there. Really awkward with a chopped roof.
Yeah, just dropped another...
Who chopped the roof in this bloody thing?
I
Get on this fucking thing. Get his ass.
Hey, did you not test for it before you bought it?
Right, ready? Right, let it roll back slowly.
slow and steady, boys.
Got two cars, it's got a handbrake on it at home. We need to go forward.
Yeah, we need to go forward.
Hold it, center, roll.
Oh, does it come out? Yeah. Sweet. There we go. Okay, we're good. Slow and steady. Watch the side skirts. You can't pump the front up, can you? Hold it back.
This is insane. Check that floor out, mate. See the flashing lights? We've got perspex.
That's nuts. Look at that. No, that's not street legal. No.
Controls for the ear and here.
Look at that seats. They look super comfy.
Oh, the Kim keys.
Oh, they'll be good in the old stock car, won't they?
Mate, if you want to get rid of those, I've got a home for those, eh? That's lights.
Seriously? PlayStation controller. PS2 controller.
Well, the steering wheel looks like it's something on a PlayStation anyway. Dual shock.
Be careful, man, but don't push the wrong switch, man. It might change into something.
So that's why I can't open the doors. I kind of forgot that they're on hydraulics themselves. Anybody that knows this car will know that the doors are pretty unique.
Crazy.
That will need to be released with the battery pack.
Battery's plugged in.
Airbags.
If you hadn't already figured it out, this is the old Mad Sounds Soundstream auto salon car. So plans to be confirmed actually, because it's not just one person's car, right? There's a sort of co-op. The plan is to firstly agree on what the plan's going to be. We all agree that we want to try to get it road legal if we can. That might be a bit too much of a mission, but we do have contacts that can help confirm what needs to be done to get there. Oh, here we go. Got the front bumper going on. I'm not sure about that gap, eh?
Yeah, the gap is bizarre.
Even with that, it will still look a bit funny, eh?
Still look weird. I mean, the whole kit down the side, it's like real early 90s kind of look.
Yeah.
They're sticking out.
Well, that's actually a factory. That's not custom. That's a factory wide body kit.
Is that?
Not factory. It's a produced wide body kit from like a BN or something. You know, Mad Mike's first baddie when he did the wide body kit and stuff. That's the same body kit as this. So it's had a roof chop. I believe it's a M3 roof skin put over the top of that. It was cut into like 8 different pieces to get to fit. Comes with a million subs and speakers, airbags, big fat old 20s.
Is it suicide?
Nope, it's way worse than suicide. So I have some Glory Day photos on my phone here. Here's a photo of it from its performance car Glory Days. Oh, see, Andrew's not as fat as I am then. How'd you fit in there?
I just slid through. You gotta go head first.
I was grounding out.
I literally went head first.
I went head first and I got stuck on my stomach. So quite unique, quite different. I think it had a blow-off valve mounted here back in its day for extra wank factor. Still got a few of the TVs. Can't really see it. There's a TV down there, a couple TVs up there, and one down there is there for the driver.
So the driver can watch
and
on the rear.
One there.
Nice diffuser.
Oh yeah, because you need all that downforce, eh? So rear tyres are 275s, which are pretty stretched.
30 series.
So it gives you an idea of how wide those are. I think they're like 13s. Oh no, 12. The 12. 20 by 12. What do we have up here, Sanj?
245, 30, 20.
245s, eh? So that's a 10-inch wheel in the front. Stock FD brakes. They look pretty tiny under those wheels. It had a 20B.
Yeah.
Oops. Originally the hole was cut out for the intercooler piping and stuff, but more recently they had a TV there. And it looks more familiar in here than the rest of the car.
It's got master cylinder.
Thankfully, not much has changed here.
Lights are on, bro. That was lights.
Put it on, put it on. Whoa! Blue light, bro.
Oh, those are like HDs before they even came out.
Before they came
Trend
out.
setting, that's what that is, dude.
Look at the lights, man.
I feel like I'm in Tokyo Drift.
Mate, this is like New Zealand Tokyo Drift.
Oh, play the sounds. Play the sounds.
This car even predates that. That's how awesome this car is.
Oh, yeah, it's moving now. Found it. Got it.
Holy sh!
Whoa, record pace.
Whoa.
Keep it open.
In 10 minutes you'll be able to get out.
Oh my god, it's so slow.
Are both doors opening at the same time or just that one?
Is there another switch you think, Andrew? Or?
Probably. It's right up under the corner of the dash.
Oh, you want to reach up under the corner so you can find something under there?
It's like a square button.
The car's on fire. Get out, get out, get out. Okay, opening door.
Waiting for it.
Okay, guys, I'm coming soon.
Step out of the car, please, sir. I said, step out of the car, please, sir.
I am. I'm just waiting for my door to open.
RCAs. That's an indication of how old school.
So when the TV was here, you had RCAs for it?
So not HDMI compatible then? Not high def?
VGA, yo! Come on, Barney, rock with it.
Hardly fit in. I have to bend my head down to drive it.
I can't believe someone spent that much money on
You can't even lean back.
We'll just cut a hole for your head.
Yeah, I think we make it convertible.
Let's have a sit in there. Hey Blair, do you want to come hold the camera, mate?
It's really tight in there.
It's a bit sharp, eh?
See what I mean,
the
eh?
wrong spot.
Just fucking.
I reckon we make it convertible.
Oh, it's just because the roof lining's falling down. Slouch, it's actually alright.
Oh, what? There is screens in there still. Holy moly.
I think you're right though, we might have to make it a convertible.
I reckon so.
I reckon convertible, definitely.
It's the only fucking way we
I
can
reckon
get
you
in.
can make a V8. No, because they're less reliable.
Tried and proven, mate.
Convertible or change it into a pickup.
Oh, you got some blue lights in there, man.
Lights on the inside
It's a bit
there,
of
Corey.
nice stale water in the back here.
Hey, look at the center console, Corey. Underneath the center console, there's lights coming up from underneath, down the side there. Still on.
Tell me if you get easy to start.
Yep, right here at 10, huh?
Have a sit in here, Jace. So the seat's angled back so you can fit in.
The seat's what?
Jesus!
Here you go, my hand. But she's well tied on the hip, eh?
It's not on my hips. This is the goose in. Fucking bit tall for it though, my head's in the room.
It's been built as a car to have on display, not to drive the city streets at night picking up hot chicks.
Mate, you got two pods for chicks back here. Got one in each pod.
So we're still not quite sure what we're going to do with it. Obviously get an engine in it, get it running.
Somehow get to the batteries which are under there.
You still got the battery, guys.
What were we thinking?
What were we thinking?
Yep.
That is the title of this video. What were we thinking?
What were we thinking?